Okay, guys, as you can see, I have on the table here this PRV, the SQ3500X. It's a 3500 watt RMS to 1 ohms, so it goes down to 1 ohms, guys. That's what it says here. All right. So these are just some little unique little amplifier I found out with the lights here. Yeah, it's really funny with the light, the way the light operate here. So I'm gonna get to that, but first let me go to the problem with this. As you see, guys, I have it hooked up. I wasn't going to make a video, so I realized I don't have a video of it, and I don't see anybody with a video of it. And and so I said, I check and say, yeah, let me just do it. And so to give you a run through of this amplifier. All right, let me give you a run through. This one used 2,200 microfarad or 2,200 UF at 200 volts. These 3 filter caps here. Yeah. And the output MOSFET this uses is the IRFB 4227. Yeah, I checked those already. And yeah, it uses the 2SI chip that the Taramp use. Those, yeah, this one uses SI8244BB. Yeah, one here and one on this side. Yes, guys. And the problem with this one, guys, was right here it was in protection mode. So I keep telling you about this diode in Taramp, Stetson, Timpano. This diode, not really Taramp like Stetson and Timpano, guys. Yeah, I have this problem a lot. We have, for this one, it says U2G. The U2G, yeah, is sometimes is the other number is UD. I think. Let me see, just to make sure, guys, so I don't give you wrong information. Right, so U2D, yes. So U2D, you could use for here, guys. U2D, and this one says U2G. So don't worry about the, that's the same number, same thing. It's the same fish. So yes, guys. So I'm keep going over this if I see anything of any vibrational damage, because it's working, guys. Just to let you know, yeah, it's playing and everything. So yeah, I get it up and running. It was only one of those that was shorting out. Yeah, and it shot out to the to over here to one of the MOSFET here, the output MOSFET. I thought it was one of these, but it wasn't. So I'm checking these amplifier, I like to check them a lot. And they do some really poor solder work in them. Like some places, yeah, look like some parts are not straight enough. Like it's a kid solder them, especially here. The two capacitors almost touch each other. Almost. So yeah. And here you have a bunch of the, see these, the part number, and these diode here is, in case anybody wanna know, or anybody have one like this. Yeah, these diode numbers is G21, and at the bottom it says GP804. Okay. All of them is the same, G21. But at the bottom it says GP804. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. So it's just letting you, these resistors are supposed to be 10 ohms. Yeah, 5 watt at 10 ohms. Yeah. These heat resistor, power resistor, whatever you guys call it. All right, guys. So this amplifier doesn't come with a preamp stage on it, like it just come with a volume button, just like that, guys. So you have to have your, equalizer, or your digital, stuff like that. Yeah, you have to have a processor for this one, guys. So, buy one of those processor. We call it again deep. All right, guys. So yep. So this one, let me show you something, guys. With it, because it have a little funny thing, as I told you guys before. Right. The light is a funny little light, guys. Because sometimes you don't even know if it's in protection mode sometime or so. But yeah, if it's not playing, you definitely know it's in protection mode. So let me get something some power to it, guys. Let's show you some stuff that's going on with this. Oh my words. Seriously, I'm gonna have to use my finger to test the audio. Alright guys, cause I can't play in a song. The phone is that I have here recording, that's the phone I use to, you know, do the signal a lot of time. Right, so what I'm going to do, guys, alright, put it on. Guys, blue light. It comes on with a blue light. Now you change the light, change to orange. So whenever, see it, and the fan stop. So I put these now. When I put these in, all right, let me show you. Turn this down. So that, guys, with any audio at all. So this year I don't have to put it to the phone. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's showing orange now anyway. But once audio go to it and it start to play, the light is going to change to blue. The light now will change to blue. So let me see if I can do a. I think I have a base test down on this, so let me turn this down. I don't know, I don't think you guys can see the light really well as I'm seeing it, yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys a little thing. And once I go to you see that, guys, that fan stop, it slows down. See? I go into sleep mode, it stop spin totally. And once the signal goes in, yeah, this thing start to play. And the fan may come back up. If you guys see this speaker and everything, what happened over there? Guys. Show you guys what's going on. See, the light is blue. See that, guys? Now it's blue. Yeah, once I go to the turn it, yeah, it goes to blue. Yeah, now play this thing all day, just like this. Alright, go back to. Alright, guys, so that's it for what I'm showing you with this amplifier, guys. So, you know, yes, guys. Alright, so yes, guys, so that was it with this amplifiers. I told you guys that little diode, guys. Set it into protection mode. Yes, guys, it do happen. It do happen, guys, and it happened. So, you know, look at this amplifier guts. I love to see the guts of amplifier, guys, especially like these. Look at that. And the front looking like this here, even though it's upside down, I think. Yep. Show it the right way like this. This have somewhere connected. Let me disconnect them before I switch it around. Alright, guys, on the back, looking like this. Yes, guys, and back to the pretty stuff, the circuitry. Alright, guys, so please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. So, as I told you, the diode here, yep. Yeah, that's diode was bad, guys. One of those U2G. So, that's U, the letter U, number 2, and the letter G. Okay, guys, so yeah, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and definitely, guys, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. So that's it for this explain repair of this amplifier, guys. Yes, guys, so yeah, that's how it goes. So everything is up and running, and it's good to go now. So right now I'm gonna just screw it up and move on to the next one, guys. So all right, so see you on the next one, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching my video. Please like, subscribe if you like what I say, and as I said, enough respect. All right. Okay, Cardi and Cardi out for now.